Good morning everyone. Today we shall talk about top skills required for securing your future in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Python programming language is dominating other programming languages such as C, C++ or Java. Python is an object-oriented, high-level multi-paradigm programming language with dynamic features. Python has a simple and readable code as compared to other programming languages like Java, C or C++. The code is expressed in an easy manner which can be simply interpreted even by a beginner programmer. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. It allows software applications to become accurate in predicting outcomes. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs, and the primary aim is to allow computers to learn automatically without human intervention. Google says machine learning is the future, and the future of machine learning is going to be very bright. As humans become more addicted to machines, we're witnesses to a new revolution that's taking over the world, and that is going to be the future of machine learning. Mobile apps are now an integral part of digital strategy, and the demand of mobile apps is increasing rapidly around the globe, and we can find millions of business apps, lifestyle apps, educational apps, on-demand apps etc. on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Technology in the area of mobile app development is getting advanced day by day. Number of new trends have introduced this year. Following trends are the future of mobile app development is 1. Augmented reality, AR, technology. 2. Internet of Things, IoT. 3. Blockchain. 4. Digital wallets. 5. Chatbots. 6. Mobile e-commerce. SEO and SEM are really two sides of the same coin, but they consist of very different actions and relate to different aspects of marketing. SEO is a key part of your digital marketing strategy. Search engine optimization, SEO, refers to the process by which search engines crawl content to see how effective it will be to attract traffic. Search engine marketing, SEM, is a descriptor that incorporates various types of paid search advertising. This is the type of thing that you'll see as Google ad and usually ends up on the top of a page list. Cybersecurity jobs are in high demand, and it doesn't seem like the need for more security professionals is going anywhere in the foreseeable future. Cyber attacks are only becoming more common and more harmful, and even though we tend to only hear about the attacks of high-profile entities, no company, or individual for that matter, with an online presence is immune to attacks. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the rate of growth for jobs in information security is projected at 37% from 2012 to 2022. That's much faster than the average for all other occupations.